What's up, guys? Your boys Halfway Kicks. It's your boy Bendo. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also follow our Instagram page, halfway_kicks.
My name is AJ, and we have a video for you today.
Yes, we do have a video.
Obviously, because you're watching it.
Hey, we got
There's two boxes in front of us.
two boxes in front of us, and one is a 2018 release, and the other one is 2022. Let's show the 2018 first.
2018,
so they can get an idea.
Yeah.
All right, man. Hold on, don't y'all like miss the receipt because Nike don't come out with receipts no more. But the shadows.
Shadow one.
Bringing these back, brand spanking new. A lot of people like the ones all worn.
Yeah.
I just haven't gotten a chance to wear these.
Hey, I mean, I remember the pair that you got. Are they pretty good condition still?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the ones hold up pretty well.
Yeah.
So, man, I miss these shoes.
Shadow ones. These are
one of the best Jordan 1 colorways.
Mm-hmm.
These Royals. What else you got?
Breads,
of course. Shattered backboard.
I don't have those.
No, I mean like
No, that's
but they are dope though, right?
Yeah, but if you have this, the Royal and the Breads, I think like you could get away.
Yeah.
With just having those three pairs.
You cover
for
a lot
life.
of ground. Yeah. You cover a lot of ground. But there's a reason why we brought these out today.
So let me have these.
Okay.
And then go ahead and
that's where I got these from, is from Undefeated.
And it's funny, it was online and you checked out at 3 p.m. or 12 p.m. or something like that.
You know what's funny? Like you kept showing me like what you were doing on the app. You just kept refreshing because it was weird. Like it would say it was sold out, and then a few minutes later you hit refresh, it was back again. So luckily, I just kept trying, and it finally went through. But look at this box.
It is a Bayut.
This is a beautiful box. It's actually a lot nicer in person than in pictures. You got like a matte finish with some glossy lettering on there. You got the black
glossy graffiti.
Yeah, black and gray Nike logo, and the band.
I'm sorry.
And the you good? You good there?
I need a drink.
You have to drink that now.
Yeah, and so you got the band X on there, which is supposed to represent what?
The band ones, right?
Well, what does band represent?
Him not being able to wear it because NBA was like, nah.
Can't wear no red shoes.
You can't do that. Nike continued paying the fine, and thank God they did, because here we are.
Now we got all these shoes and the band exclusive.
Mm-hmm.
So what a lot of people are talking about right now is the fact that they did this band shoe on a black and gray colorway.
I mean, look, it gives it a new razzle dazzle, right? Like, they can't bring this out, and I'm glad they kind of threw that X on there. Oh my God, those shoes are nice.
Here you go, sir.
Ooh.
So,
oh man.
I was one of the few people that did not mind the band colorway being on a black and gray, because I sold my shadows and I hated myself for that. So these look really similar, just kind of like shadows on acid.
Yeah, they like it's more cracked black leather on here.
But it's not like the same type of cracked leather that's on the Mama News.
No. This is a different razzle dazzle right here.
Yeah, it's a little bit different, but
these
you smell these? These smell different, but like better.
Not a lot of shoes.
It's true. Smell that.
Oh yeah.
That's strong, right? Like I think it's the paint. All the paint that's on these shoes.
I feel like all the ones smell like that. Do those still smell like that?
Not anymore.
Just wait.
It's 4 years. Man, these are nice, man. I can't wait for mine. Shout out to GOAT. Not really, but
I like the fact that they are black and gray, because it really makes the X stand out a lot.
Yeah.
So that's a nice little hit on the back.
Mm-hmm.
Different than the Shadow ones. This has a gray sole.
Yeah, the Shadow ones
got the black. Yeah.
No, but everything else is the same.
Looks pretty similar.
And the graffiti gloss all over the shoe. Mm-hmm. So the guy that created it was like a graffiti artist.
Graffiti artist. I think it was 4 different people involved with this shoe, right?
Man,
what was that? You still on TikTok?
No, I was gonna look it up.
You still on TikTok?
These are nice, and I'm glad you were able to get them for retail.
Yeah, man. I feel like they're still slept on though.
Yeah, not a lot of people like. You look on YouTube and they'll be like, oh yeah, these are mediocre.
Yeah.
5 out of 10. 6 out of 10. 4 out of 10. But these are at least an 8 out of 10.
I just assume with the popularity of the Shadow ones that this would be like a hype ass shoe.
Yeah.
Especially because it's like, it's got that extra wow factor.
I don't like those people that are like, oh, they're a 6 just because they're not the Shadow one.
Yeah.
I'm like, they're not supposed to be the Shadow one. Right. That's the idea.
Right.
People grow, things change, and this is the razzle dazzle now.
We checked on StockX. It was 300.
It was like 320 and above.
320 and above, yeah. So you can still get a pair. They're not expensive.
Well, I got it from Gold, and it's coming from China, and it's been a month already. We was hoping to have 2, but
yeah,
we
will eventually. It'll get here.
Eventually.
Soda. How about that paper though?
The paper.
Oh yeah, show.
Oh yeah, the paper.
Is that 3D?
It's Michael Jordan. It was like from one of his commercials back in the day.
I think that's the original band shoe commercial.
There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but come on, you gotta do the bow.
See that?
Yeah. I don't know, man. I like when Nike puts together these like exclusive type shoes, even though they're not hyped as much as they should be. It's not. It's good for me. I was able to get it that way. Mm-hmm. So. And
I was trying to like 3. I was all that work just trying, but I'm happy you got these, man. And
I don't know if I can wear them though. Like I feel like this is just gonna be a collector's item for me, not necessarily a shoe that I'm gonna wear.
Until you get these back?
Yeah, because that's the one I want to wear. I feel like it's just so pretty. Which is really why I couldn't get the patent breads either. Am I really gonna wear them? I don't know. Did you wear yours? You wore yours one time?
One time.
That's it.
He has to, because the new fiance bought those for him, right?
Yeah.
The new fiance, like 3 days.
Should we give a little shout out to the
man? Let's
newly engaged.
Congratulations to the homie right here, man.
Yeah,
Drew.
Congrats, Drew.
Finally did it.
Congrats to Joy. You finally got that ring from our boy over here.
She said it was heavy.
He's real shy right now.
He didn't expect this.
He was like, "This is not why I came here."
Yeah, they're actually giving these to me.
No,
as a gift. Here you go.
Let us know in the comments if you hit on these, if you're feeling these, if you think they're ugly.
And if you hit on Undefeated, what time did you hit on Undefeated? Because they were giving out random.
Yeah, I think a couple
random
people
sizes, random times.
A couple hours after the fact too. Oh, even the day after too, right? Hit on the? I think somebody hit the day after too.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I'm happy to have these. They've been sitting in my closet since I bought them though. That's all they're gonna do.
I don't know. I think you're gonna wear these.
You think so?
I think one of these days you feeling a little pep in your step, and you're just gonna be like, "Hey, what are you doing this weekend?"
Maybe I'll throw it on for my birthday. I don't know.
So yeah, guys, don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. And Rebellionaire ones. Peace.
Yeah. I wasn't gonna catch it.
Huh?
I wasn't gonna catch it.
No, I didn't even catch it until you said it was the soda. So I don't know. What do you want to say?
I'm lost now. I'm I'm lost.
Yeah, so these are dope.
We said that so many times already. Yeah, these are dope. Damn it! Hold on. This is something in my eye now. What's up, guys? Your boys Halfway Kicks. We are back. My name is Bendo, and I am losing traction. Oh, all over the place.